Well, this is the December 30th. Tomorrow's the actual last day, but I think this is a wrap for me. If you're watching this, that means I'm done, and then I'll just do a compilation of some of the kill shots and misses we've done over the last 2 weeks of the season. There's me hollering at Mr. Henry across the field. Hey, Henry! Henry! Henry, look behind you! Look behind you! Man, I know he could hear me hollering. 2 does and a buck went out. There's another fella missing a big buck going across the field. I won't name him. All right, so for this hunt, I decided to bring one of my big drones out and do some thermal reconning. And so what you see now is there's about 4 deer in the field I'm looking at right now. Yep, they're sitting there playing. They're playing a little bit, but I'll show you I'll show you a color picture of them here in a second. All right, and here the deer are, and here the deer on the zoom lens. He's like, all right, I think we've been spotted. And then here's a wide angle view of what it really looks like. Pretty high up in the air looking down on them. Look at that. 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 Still going. Look at that. Look at that. Still going. There you go. Still going. Boy, boy, boy. Huh? Well, well, well. This gonna be good. Keep it. There's me missing a big buck. And then, a couple days later, we saw that buck again, so I didn't hit him. And then I got a bunch of kill shots. I killed some does and a buck, and then another buck or whatever. But anyway, enjoy. This should be, hopefully this will hold you over to next season, or actually until the rabbit videos come. So enjoy. He's going down. He's going down. I'm gonna have to trail him, I'm gonna have to trail him. He's going down though. So I just piled that buck up, and there's a doe right there I just piled up earlier. Yes, sir. That one hit a quitter, son. Sang, doggy, sang. They on him. Good doggies. Get off my doggy. Get off my deer. No, doggy, get off my deer. No, doggy. Come on, get on out of there. Hey, call him, Deke. Ah, get on out of there. Get on, come on. Call him, Deke. Come on. Get on, come on, good dog. Good dog. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah! Gotcha, bitch. All right, here come the hard part.
Big Nanny.
Jalen. Golly. Hey, look at that. Don't shoot that deer. Don't you shoot him. You was about to shoot that little deer. Mac.